So I want to show you some of these Power BI reports that are and apps that are available to you once you move to Business Central. And I'm going to quickly show you one of the sales apps. So I'm going to go out and select my sales app, and then we'll just look at a few examples from that application as well. So again, as I mentioned, each one of these apps has that first report, which is really kind of that dashboard or overview, right? So this is again where I can quickly see my sales amounts. I can see my gross profit. And there again, if you click a particular widget there, the amounts change to those, right? So you can just see an example if I wanted to understand, what are my daily sales, right? What is a moving, our annual totals right over there. Maybe I want to know what are our sales by items, right? What are our top items that we're selling, right? And with these, you can also drill into the detail, right? Again, I can click on it and it will change to just that item. But maybe I want to go in and drill through and understand more about this particular item, right? What is our profit margin on that item? So a lot of these reports have additional drill to giving you the detail behind those individual reports. So again, a lot of power at your fingertips with little to no investment on your part. So I mentioned that these are really easy to get. So they are available out in App Source. And I wanted to show you one other thing is you can get to it from the dashboard, but there's also an all reports up here that shows all of the out of box reports for Business Central, right? So this is where I can get to all those Power BI reports. And maybe there's a report, right, that you want to look at every day when you come into the office, right? It's critical. That's how you start your day. These are the questions that you need answered every morning, right? Well, what you can do is just bookmark it, right? If there's a favorite report or favorite reports, you can bookmark them like your favorites, right? So that when you log in, that will be right up at the top for you to be able to access. So I mentioned they are out on App Source, so I'm back out on App Source, and these are all of those Power BI apps that are free, right? And you simply click the button, download it, and then connect it with your Business Central. So within a couple steps, you've downloaded, and now you have over 69 different reports, Power BI reports that are available that you did not have to build yourself. They are available out of the box for you. So just wanted to highlight that power and that capability. And Microsoft released those in November, but I know they are working to continue to get feedback from customers. So I imagine that these will continue to get better and answer more questions that customers have.